welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go on a camping trip and it's going to be super duper fun and it's going to be fun. So right now I'm just going to help Emma pack her bag, okay? So firstly, what do you need, Emma?
I don't know, mommy.
Okay, well, it's going to be very outdoory, so I'm going to pack her your overalls. And we don't really need a swimsuit. She's already wearing her PJs right now because it's early morning at the moment. And okay, I think that's pretty much all. No, do you want to choose a stuffy to bring, Emma?
Yeah, I'll choose a stuffy, mommy.
Okay, baby girl. Um, Choose one.
Okay, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a spider by its toe. If you dare let it go. My mom says count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O-U-T spells out. This one shall go. So I'll bring this one.
Okay, honey. Um, do you have anything you need, Lily? For her, I'm getting these two's name mixed up, I think. Anyways, we'll just put her sleeping raggy thing over there. No, I don't need anything. I'm pretty much already packed. Just need to add my iPad and my headphones. And then I'm all done, okay, Mum? Okay, hun. I think. Anyways, I'm going to now go to Emma's room. Emma's having a renovation. If you guys didn't know, she's going to be having a renovation. Here's a little sneak peek. Well, it's basically showing you the room. Yeah. It's been a long time since you guys seen Emma because I haven't posted for a really long time. But if you guys haven't known, she turned 11. Yeah, she turned 11 a few weeks ago, months ago, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to pack now. I have my PJs. I don't need a swimsuit. No, I don't. Anyways, yeah, and my water bottle for hydration. Um, okay, sorry, my brother's playing his instrument at the moment, but I have to pack this for Emma. Oh my gosh, I forgot my dog's own name. Mochi. I'm gonna pack that for Mochi. And hey, Mochi baby. It's so adorable. Anyways, I think we're done, right, Mom? Yeah, we're pretty much done, sweetheart. I just need to pack my stuff. Okay, my vlog camera. Everything's ready. You two girls are packed. And now I just need to get my own things. So, let me get in the elevator. Okay, I'm downstairs now. Um, I'm going to pack some things, but I don't know what to pack. Probably pack these two things. Yeah, let me get my thing out. Okay. Sorry, I closed the cupboard because it was getting in my way. Getting the suitcase from the basement. And yeah, this is pretty casual and cute. I'm not sure if we're even going to wear these clothes that we're packing. Just a disclaimer. And I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm going to now. Actually, yeah. No way, actually not. I'm gonna send Emma, because she likes exploring, to get mushrooms and stuff like that, I think. That would be nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're at the camping site. It took a while to get everyone in the car, so I didn't show us getting there or anything. But I think you could start. Okay. Uh, Lily, come help me set up this tent. Oops. You know I don't know anything about setting up tents, and you've gone camping with Dad like 100 times, so just come with me, okay? Okay, come on. You know what? She's taking long. I'm just gonna go without her. I'm coming. I was just talking to Dad about how much Robux I could get every month. Probably 0 since you're so naughty. Hey, I think here's a pretty good spot. Yeah, I feel so. Now, how do you set up this big buffet tent? Okay, let's see. How about... Okay, we finally got the tent set up, which is pretty long. It took us 1 hour just to set up a tent. Does it take you that long, Lily? No. Oh my goodness, my pants! This was my favorite jump and it's ruined. It's ruined. I tell you, it's ruined. Literally 5 seconds into this trip, something has to go wrong. Something has to go wrong every single time you come on a nice family time. Always has to. Anyway, I'm just frustrated. Sorry, guys. We're filming, but that's a little sneak peek of the family drama that actually happens. And if you guys are also worried about whatever that thing is standing there, to be honest, I don't really know what it is either. So it's my timer clock for my phone. No, my sister's phone. For the phone. I don't know. But I am so sorry. Anyways, Layla's getting Emma's getting some food now. And a mushroom. What else after a mushroom? Ooh, an acorn. Can I eat it? Yeah, I can. Yay. I love acorns and how I could eat them all the time. That one's nice. How about... moss. That would be amazing. Ah! What was that noise? I don't know. Oh, let's go find out, I guess. Stay here, Emma. Lily. Sorry. We have to go find out. Did you see anything? No, I was just sobbing about my favorite outfit that you for silly, stupid water ruined. I can't believe that happened. No time for sleeping. Come on, we have to find her. Where is she? Wait a minute. Aren't those her footsteps? Wait, let me see. It could have been her footsteps. Is it? Wait, let me see. It's her footsteps, honey. Can you see it? Oh, yeah, I guess I could see it. Emma, are you there? Mommy! Oh my gosh, Emma's in the cave, honey. Get her out, something. She's our daughter and she's stuck in a cave. You're not gonna do anything, you dum-dum. Okay, I'll do something. Gosh. What should do you expect me to do? Okay, how about we try this? Okay, a little more. Oh my gosh, Emma, what a surprise. We were worried sick, honey. I'm so sorry that happened. It's okay. I'm sorry, Mommy. I got your treats for you. Thank you, love. Okay, after that dramatic scene, Layla's over there crying still because of her stupid clothes, but I'm not going to say that to her face because I'm her mum. Duh. But Anyways, we're gonna, start fishing now. Well, they're going to fish. Okay, hon. When I need a fishing rod thing, you're just going to give me one, okay? Okay, Dad. Whoa, look at that big salmon. Don't you think it's a beauty? Of course it's a beauty. Isn't this the second time we got a salmon? Yep. Hey, look, Emma. Ah! It's a salmon and it's stinky! That's hilarious. It's not funny. Anyways, she decided to take a nap, and Layla has finally decided to cool down, which is good. This video. Wait, okay. Anyways, sorry guys, I have to check something. Can you start with food? It's kind of getting late. Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'll start with food. Okay, anyways, she's gonna start with food with the mushrooms. Okay, I'm gonna start boiling the mushrooms. And we'll see what's going to happen. I guess. We'll see what's gonna happen. Let's cook it up. Let's sing a song. My stupid heart, oh no, I got to let you go. So many years ago, my stupid heart. Ooh, yum yum. This looks delicious actually. What can I make? Maybe mushroom and salmon? Oh my, that looks disgusting. That's not appetizing at all. Let's try again. Okay, Dad, can you get another fish for me, please? Of course I can, sweetheart. Oh, I think I got something. It's not a salmon, it's tuna, but might as well go well. Thanks. How about this? Ugh, that's not appetizing at all either. I guess no one will steal me if I take the spare food they have for free. But the campus is probably expired, but it could probably do better than me. So anyway, I think I'll have that. Anyways, no one's ever going to know, so just be quiet. Because no one's going to know. But anyways, these beans can do something in them also, I guess. I don't like beans, so I'm probably not going to eat. Neither is Emma, because she had a big sandwich that had a lot of bad stuff in it that I think weren't good for her. But anyways, let's cook this up. Oh, it's already so late. Okay. Now I'm just... Okay, anyways. That's good. I'm gonna go get ready for bed. You guys are ready, eh? I'm just gonna get ready for bed now. So, yeah. Oh, I'm tired, but I want to stay on my phone, so that's what I'm going to do. Come on, Mochi, do you want to also stay on my phone with me all night? Probably you do. What's the time, anyways? Oh, no one knows. I'm gonna talk to Jenna on the phone. What's that noise? What was it? Oh well, probably nothing. Anyways, that's all sorted and done and dusted. It's night time. We'll stay together. Anyways, it's morning, guys, and I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do all those things. And definitely leave a comment. The two girls are sleeping. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.